So I wanted to go over a few more problems about simplifying variable expressions. We went over numbers 2 through 7 in class, but I think that a little bit more time could have been spent on these, so we're going to do these right now, a few of these. So, for example, problem number 11, if you were to look at that one here, the way that that works is it says negative, take the negative of 19 plus 2g squared minus 57 plus 4g squared. So what we need to do is we need to get rid of these parentheses. So the way we do that is by basically taking the opposite of everything in there because there's a negative sign in front of there. So it's going to be negative 19 minus 2g squared minus 57 plus 4g squared. So now we're going to do our like terms and unlike terms thing here. This is a like term, this is a like term, so I can do something with those. So I'm going to do something with that right now. So negative 2 plus 4, and all I'm looking at is the coefficient, the number in front. So negative 2 plus 4 is just going to be 2g squared. And then these are the constants, and I can do something with that. Negative 19 minus 57. So negative 19 minus 57, you need to be reminded of this. This works as negative 19 plus negative 57. So that works that they're now the same sign, so we just add them together, and we end up with negative, that's 76. So minus 76. So that's going to be the answer for problem 11. Let's do another one. So if that's the case, then we're going to look now at problem number, well, let's try problem 16. So for problem 16, that one's not listed there, but it's on your sheet. Actually, let's do problem 15 instead, because that one is listed right here. So problem 15 is rewritten as 8 6h minus 11 plus 5 times 20 minus 3h. Now, when I do that, I have to get rid of these parentheses. Remember, what I'm going to use, I'm going to use the distributor property. I'm going to distribute this number by multiplying 8 times 6 and then 8 times 11. So when I do that, 8 times 6 is going to be 48. But I still have to keep that value h. I don't know what h is, but I still have to keep that because it's 6h. So now I do 8 times 11, so it's subtracting 88. Then that's plus 5 times 20 is going to be 100. And then 5 times 3 is going to be 15, so that's negative 15h. So now it's 48 minus 15. I can deal with the like terms again. Like term, like term. So 48 minus 15, that's going to end up being 33h. And then negative 88 plus 100 is just going to be plus 12. So that's going to be the simplified expression. And this is how these all work. I'm going to do one more problem here, and that one is going to involve negative numbers and how you change things around. So I'm going to do number 14 here. So for 14, what it says is, it says take the negative of 21, or the opposite of 21k, minus 3 plus 4 minus 17k. And when you do that, negative 21k, that's going to be negative 21k. And then, because there's a negative both here and here, we can actually just change that into an addition problem. If you remember that thing about how you can change when you have two negatives, you can make it into a positive. So it's going to be plus 3. And then, but you've got to take the negative here of 4. So minus 4. Minus 17k. And I can get rid of that little part there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for like terms and unlike terms. Oh, these are like terms. Negative 21k minus 17k. Negative 21k minus 17k. If you want, you can even rewrite these out like that. Negative 21 minus 17k, that's going to be negative 38k. And then for the rest of it, it's going to be 3 minus 4. So 3 minus 4 is just going to be negative 1. So 38k minus, or negative 38k minus 1 is going to be your answer there.